Hello friends, myself Pankaj Jain. I am talking about stock market career step by step. Do you want to join the stock market really? And what are the steps? From where should you start? So you can do one thing, just if you are having a PAN card, just apply for one demat trading account. You can open your demat trading account with any bank or any private broker, and it doesn't cost you more than 500,000 rupees. It may be free with us, means if you are going to the description saying the link of Angel and Upstox, you can open the account within 2 days hardly, and then go to our channel www.speedearning.com. Website is there, YouTube channel is there. You can learn free of cost one by one. So it's not essential to invest a big amount in the market and remain stressed. You can do one thing, you just start with very small volume. You can start your investment even with 500 or 1000 rupees and see what is happening, because in the beginning you don't know anything. You need to be familiar, so there will be mistakes, but if you are doing the mistakes on lower volumes, then you can rectify your mistakes day by day, but you are not losing anything, and then you are gaining the confidence one by one. And sometime fellows are asking that some companies are going bankrupt, and they are causing the losses, but I am telling you to focus on India's top 50 companies. Means you can choose 50 among the 3000 companies in India. So best 50 companies you can rely on, and you know about their products. Suppose if you are going for Reliance or Infosys, Tata Motor, Hero Honda, Hero Moto. There are so many companies. You know the products. You are using the products day by day. You are using the HUL, you are using Nestle products. So if you are paying the money for products to those companies, so you should have a way for income also from the same company, and that's what we are giving you the training for, and it will kill your boredom. You can learn stock market step by step. If you're just stuck into your 9 to 5 job and you want to start something on your own, so just do one thing. Take 20 minutes before going to bed and watch our channel, YouTube channel. Just search for Pankaj Jain stock market or Pankaj Jain option trading, and you will find our videos there, and you can watch our videos free of cost. If you are having a very little time and now you are interested, you are confident, you have decided to make the career in this path, then we are having some paid courses starting from 999 and going to 70,000 6-month detailed advanced course, and everything is value for money. So just join us, subscribe our channel, and you will learn stock market step by step with us. We shall tell everything about the stock market, futures and options, commodity market, currency and forex trading. So just join us and stay with us.